Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles. This is their Pina Colada Smoothie Bath Bomb, and isn't it adorable? It has a soap embed on top. I was trying to lower it nicely in there, but then it just went ahead and flipped over and started rolling around, which I was pretty sure it was gonna do. Man, oh man, did this bath bomb smell wonderful. Had fragrance notes of pineapple, coconut milk, bananas, and vanilla. Very much smell like a pina colada. I love the smell of pineapple. And as it started dissolving, you could see there's a pop of color in there. There's some blue in there. Which at first I was like, oh, that's kind of surprising, but I shouldn't be shocked by that because a lot of their bath bombs have hidden pops of color in them. And they have so many different bath bombs and unique products on their website. They're constantly changing, reasonably priced. I really like their stuff. Look at the little blue swirls it's making. And this did last a pretty long time in the tub. And as you can guess, the water is going to be green at the end, and it's a beautiful shade of green as well. Some up-close fizzing action. And then once the straw got detached, there's a paper straw in it. So there's that little piece. Also the soap embed, that's a little pineapple on top. That was at the bottom of the tub as well. And then under that soap embed, I think they used whipped soap because it was really soft and foamy and creamy. And I think that's what it was. It felt solid when I put it in the tub, but once it got wet, it was a lot softer. So yeah, they spend a lot of time on their bath bombs. They're always so beautifully decorated. And here's what the water looks like. Very bright green. So if you'd like to see more demos from Soak, Fizz, and Bubbles, I do have a playlist going. And I also have a $10 off code if you'd like to order anything. Make sure you check out the description box below for that information. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.